Today we're going to try something totally different. We're going to we're going to use a glue gun and glue these needles onto this piezo, whatever they call it, element. I've got the smallest one I got, and I've got this real big one here. So I want to see if there's a difference in sound when I play a record. And you'll see what I mean when I get it all done. But let's go ahead and glue these elements, or glue the needles on here. So I'm going to grab a couple needles. It's not going to be easy. I got the glue gun ready. All right, so here we go. See if I can do this without burning my hands. All right, I don't know. This is going to be fun. Oops. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can stay there long enough. Okay, I've got one. Okay, see that? Okay. I don't know if that's going to stay on there or not. Let's do another one. This one's already got a wire to it, so it's kind of hard to play with it. All right, so let's put some glue on here first, which I should have done with the other one. All right. Let's put some glue on here and then put glue. There we go. I'm going to put some more glue. I know you can't see, I'm sorry. There we go. Can you see this? I don't know. All right, can you see that? I know the lighting is not great, but I've got the needles glued on. I'm going to put a little more on this other one, only because I don't think there's enough, but we'll see. There we go. All right, I'm going to let them dry, and then we'll try them on the record, see what happens. All right. Okay, I've got the small one ready to go. Turn up the volume on this a little bit. It's going to come from that speaker, since of course it's mono. So let's go ahead and try it, see what it sounds like. You ready? Here we go.
They put the lights out by the front door, but it was still as bright as new. There was just one light they couldn't dim that night. In the parlor, no. By the front door, no. In the kitchen, no. I mean the light of the moon.
That sounds pretty good. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm going to try the big one and see how it sounds. Whoa. All right, let me get it set up, and then we'll try the big one. Oop, I'm stepping all over it on the floor. Let go. Okay, I put some insulation putty, they call it. It's pretty thick stuff, you can see. Yeah, because if I touch it, I don't know if you can hear this. If you had some earphones, you would get some humming. So let's go ahead and try this. Let me turn it up a little bit and see what it sounds like. All right, you ready? I gotta get my hands. Okay, here we go. And you notice if I go one angle or another, it changes the sound. If you have some earphones, if you're listening through your phone, it may not sound as good, but get some earphones and listen to it, because there's a lot of bass here, which I'm impressed. Let me lock this so it doesn't knock it over with my big clumsy. Where's it at? Not this. Oh, there it is. Okay, I don't want to knock this over, so it's locked in place. All right, so here we go. As I'm moving, you can hear it. All right, here we go. You ready?
I mean the light of the moon.
Pretty good. Really sounds good here. Get some earphones and listen to it with the earphones. I'll start from the beginning here. There we go.
In the parlor, no. By the front door, no. In the kitchen, nah. They put the lights out in the parlor. They put the lights out in the hall. They put the lights out in the kitchen too. And outside by the barbecue, they put the lights out by the front door. But it was still as bright as noon. There was just one light they couldn't dim that night. In the parlor, no. By the front door, no. In the kitchen, no. I mean the light of the moon.
All right. Well, this concludes my test. I had to resolder these wires. It's not easy, but yeah, there it is. A little steel needle glued to the element, and it seems to work pretty darn good. There's no preamp or anything. It's connected directly into the amplifier, so it's got a lot of many volts going through there. But I'm impressed. I'm really impressed by the sound. It's crazy.
The lights out in the kitchen too, and outside by the barbecue, they put the lights out by the front door.
That's pretty crazy. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I don't know, there's something we could do with this. You know, if you didn't have a cartridge, there's a way. You can cut these. But I think this sounds much better than the small one. You can go back and look at, well, maybe I'll play it a little bit just to show you the difference real quick. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button and all that good stuff. All right, thanks for watching.
First, let me give a thumbs up. There we go. And then say thanks to artificial intelligence speaking on my behalf. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more.